Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to factory reset BOSE SoundLink Color 2. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your speaker here, resetting it or factory resetting it can solve a lot of issues. So what you need to do here to reset it is you want to make sure the speaker is first turned on. Now, from then on, you want to look for your power button. Now, what you need to do with this power button is you want to press and hold this for a full 10 seconds until the speaker turns off. Now, when I say 10 seconds here, full 10 seconds. So in this case, this will actually start the reset process, and once the reset is complete, the speaker will restart and prompt you to select a language, and from then on just choose the language here, choose English if you want, and press and hold the multifunction button until it is confirmed. Now multifunction button is going to be this one, but yeah, so the speaker will now be in pairing mode, so ready for a fresh setup. So this one's pretty simple. As long as you press and hold the appropriate buttons at the correct time, you should be good. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.